be able to increase your membership base in the country. That's actually this biggest event of mini football is usually bringing this contribution. I would like once again thank you for your contribution and for your effort that you are making in your countries with mini football regarding organization, regarding promotion, and regarding development. I understand that it's not easy during the year to organize the events, to find the financial background, to travel to WMF World Cup, and also to make a support for the development of the sport in this country, in this sport. I would like thanks namely to all the presidents of the National Mini Football Association, because you are actually the head who are showing the direction, and you are persons that are making new strategic developments of these sports. And with many of you, I'm happy to share these experiences, because in every country usually we can see